Hi everyone, today I wanted to just do a quick tutorial to show you how you can take a full page worksheet and split it up for your students and make it interactive in Google Slides instead of having to use outside extensions like DocHub where students then have to re-upload their completed document. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get whatever worksheet it is that you want students to do. Now when I'm looking at this worksheet from Go Math, I see that there are 3 sections already there for us. So I'm going to screenshot just that first section, and on a Mac it is Command-Shift-4 to screenshot. And then I'm going to screenshot the on your own, the bottom part of that on your own, and then the problem solving. So I've now done 4 screenshots. I'm then going to go over into Google and I'm going to open up New, and I'm going to open up a new slide. Once this loads, I'm going to set those 4 screenshots that he just took as my backgrounds. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 4 slides right here onto this slideshow. I'm going to get rid of this theme. And you can see like right now it has these other text boxes. You can get rid of those because we are going to insert our own right in there. So I'm just deleting those right off of there. And I'm going to show you how to make these screenshots your backgrounds so that students can't manipulate them or delete them. So you're going to go ahead and click this background button, choose image, and then we're going to upload. So I'm just going to go ahead into browse and just grab that first screenshot that I took. And you're going to see now it is my background. So it's a little wonky, right? A little squished. So I'm just going to go ahead and change my page layout so that it is a little bit wider. So we can go ahead and make this we'll see if that, oh, that didn't work. Try a different one. There we go. So that was 5 by 6. I'm going to make it just even a little bit wider than that. Or 10 by 6. Let's try 14. There we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and do this for the other 3 images as well. And again, I'm just inserting them as the backgrounds on each of these slides. So I click background, browse, choose the image, and then one more time, background, choose image, browse, and that last image. Now that I have all 4 images, remember they're on 4 different slides. This especially will help with our students that need to have only a certain amount of problems on a page. It will help break that up right for them. They can take a break right after. So you can see the students can't interact with it at all. What you're going to want to do as a teacher is click this text box button and just put in a text box. I like to change the background color of my text box by clicking this fill button, just so my students know that that is a text box. You can change the font, you can change the size, you can mess with whatever you want to mess with in that text box. And then I'm just going to simply Command-C and Command-V to copy and paste. And I'm going to use that same text box for each of the problems. And again, this will make it so students don't need to use any sort of outside extension to solve their problems. I'm just using that same text box that I just created, and I'm pasting it in. You can tell your students, okay guys, anytime you see this color text box, I want you to be filling it in. And you just go ahead and do this onto each slide, anywhere you want the students to be able to type. And I could continue it on each of these and for extended response as well. And then all you would have to do would be to title it, and then you just send it out to them in Google Classroom like you normally would by creating an assignment. And when you attach it, you will want to make sure that you make a copy for each student. So if I was doing that, I would click Add from Google Drive, wait for it to load, choose the practice, and here is where it's super important. You want to change from Students Can View to make a copy, and then you assign it. I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to email me.